Across industries, robots are changing how we live, work, and move. From manufacturing lines to city streets, from hospitals to homes, automation is becoming the new language of progress. But as robotics evolve, their intelligence no longer depends on hardware alone. The robotics industry is rapidly embracing AI to make machines smarter and more autonomous. To sense, respond, and collaborate in real time, they need a new kind of connection. Private network, a secure, dedicated, and flexible network built for industries. It delivers ultra-low latency, high reliability, and the flexibility to tailor networks to specific needs. Whether it's adjusting uplink and downlink ratios, keeping data on site, or adopting AI capabilities. Samsung Private 5G delivers seamless communication among thousands of connected machines, enabling real-time control, vision, and enhanced safety across every motion. As robots think smarter, their networks must too. Powered by intelligent AI-based orchestration and adaptive design, Samsung Private 5G learns, optimizes, and evolves with every operation, creating an intelligent network for intelligent machines. When connection becomes intelligent, industries don't just grow, they leap forward. Powering the next leap in robotics,